Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry Ann Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. Today we embark upon a project, how to make a kettle from a plastic bottle. Now this is one of those unique science projects. So we will be seeing Alex at work. But first, I'm going to do some groundwork and then Alex will take over. Come along with us. We got a 2-liter plastic bottle and we cut the top third of the bottle and also the bottom third of the bottle. And now we are joining it here together to give the body of the kettle. Now we're gonna use a little small plastic piece here that we cut to make the handle, and then we're gonna cut another piece that we're gonna use to make the top. That's the cover for the kettle. Now we are cutting some foam strips, and this we're gonna use as decoration for the handle and the body of the kettle. Alright, so we use the glue gun to add the foam paper to the plastic strips, and this piece here is the cover. Alright, now we are gonna put a piece of backing to ensure we get it completely covered, and we are gonna glue around the edges of that foam piece so that we have a perfect cover to fit our kettle. Alright, so we're just finishing up the glue piece here. Now that's the cover, and this is what it looks like on top of the kettle. We will do the similar wrapping for the handle, and now we are adding the handle to our kettle. Alright, the glue was not sufficient to hold it, so we ended up stapling the handle. That is much firmer and will hold it better in place. Now we use a small piece of leftover plastic, covered again with a little piece of our foam paper, and this we're gonna roll into a cone shape to make the spout of the kettle. Alright, now we add a little glue and we're gonna fit it in place right here. Now that's what it looked like. Now we add the lid to see how well we're doing with our project. Now we're cutting another piece of strip, and we're gonna use this piece to decorate the body of the project. Here we have some little paper flowers, and we're gonna be using these as well. Now we add a little glue to the lid, and we put in a few pieces just to make it more bright and colorful. Now it's Alex's responsibility to decorate the body of the kettle. Right now, this is what the lid looks like. Alright, so we're gonna bring Alex in, as Alex is going to be doing this part. Here comes Alex. Alex, we're making a kettle. What we're making a?
Cat rocks.
Kettle. Kettle, very good. Now, Alex loves craft and he likes to do these little things. So here we are adding the decorative pieces. And this helps to build his fine motor skills because he has to use that pincer muscles to pick up the small pieces and, put them in the right place. Now, as you realize, he was very focused, yeah, because he liked this kind of thing. And this was very late. It was a very late project. And we were here, it was around after 11 in the night. So we didn't have him do too much because we were both tired. It was really a long day for us. Nonetheless, he was being a good boy at 11 in the night and we were putting this together. He's a real trooper when he's ready, yeah. So here he is enjoying putting the pieces, and Alex is always singing, so he's singing along as he put the pieces together. All right, now we're gonna add that piece to our kettle, and of course I'm just lining it up, adding the glue, and we are going to have Alex doing his part. All right, so here he is adding the strip around the kettle, and we are careful not to let him get touched by that glue because the glue is very hot. So parents, when you're working with the glue gun along with your children, please be very careful. You may need to monitor that gun because once the glue melts, it gets very hot. All right, so Alex is adding a little top piece to the lid, so you can use that to lift the lid. Ah, now that looks pretty. Now he's adding the lid to the bottle. Yes, this is cute. I really love it. This was a project that we both enjoyed. And this is a closer view of our little kettle. Done. And Alex is smiling away. All right, I'm showing him here how to use his kettle. All right. What is it? This is a kettle. It's a kettle. Okay, so you use the kettle to boil water. Are you gonna put the kettle on the stove? Yeah, ma'am. All right, the kettle can boil water still. Yeah. Let me tell you, say me done. I am so done. Eh? Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.